is to rack the car up. There's a piece in the middle, and then I'm showing you here. Make sure you have some jack stands on the side as well. But I think they removed, whoever had this car last, they removed the cover where my oil filter and oil drain is at, because there's no cover for it. So all right, this filter adapter, you kind of got to force it on, so you have to like smack it on for it to kind of get it onto the filter housing itself. Just FYI on that. Like I said a little bit earlier, this thing is like exact fitment, this adapter, and you really have to like get this off. Like you have to do, like I had to pop it off like that. This is just an example, but this thing is tough. It's an exact fit. So if you do have this one, this expensive one, it's like a $23 adapter, like $35 adapter. It really is tough to get that off, but it does work. So when using the Lucas oil stabilizer, you want to pour it slow, and I'm showing you why here. And how these engines are nowadays, like I'm not sure why it's not like a deeper hole, but you see me raising up the funnel, and then you have to slowly pour, because how the thing is, or how the fill, I don't know what you call it, the oil fill is. But it's just not enough depth, so you kind of have to pour slow. So this takes it does extend the oil change for extra like 5 to 10 minutes, but this is always worth it. Whether you got a new car or not, I definitely recommend, from a mechanic standpoint, I've been doing this for over 15 years now. I definitely recommend this if you want your engine to last long. We already know, I mean, for Toyota, you ain't got to, I guess you can say you ain't got to do this, but for it to last even longer than 300, 400,000 miles or 500,000 miles, however long this engine will last, this will extend it even longer. So I definitely do recommend using Lucas oil stabilizer. Whether you like it or not, I definitely do recommend it. This is a good thing. I've been using this for a long time now, and it does work. You only use 1 quart of it, not 6 quarts, not, you know what I'm saying? You use 1 quart, it mixes with the 5 quarts that's already in there. It's a good mix. So this is a perfect solution to use if you want your engine to last as long as possible. It is a little bit more expensive. This quart is like $13. Obviously pre-2020, this was like a $7 bottle. This bottle is like $12 to $13. So you buy your full quart and then you buy this. So other than that, let's make a wrap for the video, man. I'm out. Peace. Okay, so we got everything filled up. We always want to crank the car up And we're gonna reset the light. So let's go and crank the car up. I'm not sure exactly how to reset it, but I'll figure it out for y'all here in a second. I believe you go here, if I'm not mistaken. Vehicle settings, hold, schedule maintenance, you hold to reset it, reset data, reset complete. So that light has went off right down there. That hazard light went off. So that's pretty much it. You reset it and then it'll go off every 5,000 miles. I wish there was a way to change it, because even when I purchased this car, the next oil change was at 125.03, and it goes off at 5,000 miles. I'm a little over. I'm like 100 miles over that, but not a big deal. And you can change as long as you change your car before 8,000 miles, that's all that matters. But once again, keep coming up for a reason. So yeah, once again, that light is gone. That's how you reset your light. And that's pretty much it. Like I say, just get out, let your car run for a little bit. Always check up under to make sure no oil is spilling, because you could have not put the drain bolt on correctly or the oil filter on correctly. So always just check under. But other than that, that's pretty much it. I always want to just check the dipstick just in case. This oil is very thin, so it's pretty much hard to see it. So it's really thin, but I did put that Lucas in there, as y'all see. Other than that, that's gonna make it a wrap for the video.
It was hard for me.